This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at GDC 2019. To my immediate right is Spencer Jackson from NordicTrack. What do you do with NordicTrack?
So I'm a software engineer at NordicTrack. We're really excited today to be presenting our VR bike, which is a whole new gaming platform that provides a new way to play. So we're offering here the fusion of fitness and fantasy, where the bike interacts with the games by offering incline and decline resistance, wind speed, all controlled by the game for an immersive experience that's really not available yet in the home.
So it's a virtual reality bike. I don't have to actually ride the bike. It's in VR and I get to sit on my couch and watch the bike. No?
You could try and play that way, but we really believe, just like basketball is more fun if you're sitting on the court playing it, we think the VR bike will be more fun if you're sitting and riding it.
Okay, so let's talk about how this thing works. It looks like a different bike than the norm. I mean, what kind of functionality do you have on this bike?
So this bike, we've used our same iFit technology that we've been using for years for a trainer to control your workout, where the trainer says, okay, we're taking resistance up to 10, or tilting your bike up like you're going up a hill. Now a game is doing the same thing and making the bike be harder to pedal as you're going up a hill, or easier as you go down. It has a wind speed. As you travel faster, you feel stronger wind. It has an interactive yoke that's integrated gaming controls, so it's a very tactile, immersive experience.
So it's like a souped up bike with triggers and fire buttons.
That's right. So we've leveled up our bike.
All right, good stuff. You souped it up.
That's right.
So I tried it out. Lots of fun. Okay, in this case, I was riding in the clouds, going in all the wrong directions because, well, I'm me. But in addition to the bike, you mentioned the headset as well. That's an HTC Vive Focus, I believe, yes?
That's right. So we've partnered with HTC for our launch. We are going to ship a package deal. We hope to launch this summer. It'll ship a package of the bike and the headset together, which this is a standalone VR system with inside-out tracking, 6 degrees of freedom control, and this whole package plus the games that come with it for about $2,000.
So $2,000 US.
That's right.
But you get a lot. You get exhausted. You do it in virtual reality. You get to shoot at other things. What could go wrong for $2,000, right?
That's right. It's a lot of fun, and if you're considering an exercise piece of equipment, we hope you'll consider a gaming system that goes along with it.
I'm being facetious when I say about shooting other things, because you have different experiences.
That's right.
So can you talk about some of the experiences you have going with the bike?
Absolutely. So right now, out of the gate, we're going to launch with our 3 titles that we're developing with a outside house. So we have Aeronauts, which is the experience you had today, a fantasy flight game. We have The Last Rider, which is a Mad Max zombie shooting game on a beefed up motorcycle. We also have Bike Messenger, which puts you in a voxel-style city where you ride around delivering packages and pizzas and newspapers, trying to make a living.
So now, is there a multiplayer component to this as well, or is it strictly you against the computer?
No, right now the demonstration you tried was just against the computer, but we're adding multiplayer. We hope to demonstrate it at the HTC ecosystem, the Vive Ecosystem Summit next week.
Okay, perfect. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a standalone headset, but just to set the expectations, when people buy this bike, do they need to buy a computer as well, or is it all inclusive with the headset and the bike and you're good to go?
It is all inclusive. So with this package deal that I mentioned was $2,000 US, that will be a whole system that gets you into VR. This works with standalone games, just like other games that work on this system. This is HTC's own system, but we partnered and packaged it in with this system, and so it works all together.
Sounds really good. And more than that, I take it there's more content on the way, like you're looking at having things beyond what comes with the bike to start, yeah?
That's absolutely right. So we're excited to work with game developers and see what creative and innovative solutions they come up with. The best games possible, we want them on our platform.
So they just need to find creative ways to exhaust people like me, which I'm sure there are plenty of them.
We have a list as long as a tall building for game ideas.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hey, thank you. Thanks for playing.
This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at GDC 2019. We will, of course, be back with more. Thank you for watching.